Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in this beautiful gated community of Willow Bend Point, which is going to be located right off of Stella Link in Willow Bend, which is so close to the medical center in downtown. This home is built by City Choice Homes. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home. It is a little over 2,000 square feet. The starting price for this home to be so close to all the main attractions in Houston is less than $400,000. The schools that this home is zoned to will be Shern Elementary, Persian Middle School, and Madison High School. Now, like I said, this is going to be a gated community. And right now with the market in Houston, there are a lot of builders who are giving buyers crazy incentives. This builder has a lot of more houses to build in this community. So that means they are going to want to get rid of all the houses they have completely built off their books as soon as possible. So if you are in the market and thinking about buying but want a great deal, this is going to be the best time to start looking and buying. If you have any questions regarding this builder, the buying process, or any other real estate questions, leave them in the comment section below, or just give me a call and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours.